Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and on Tuesday we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, our home. And you all know that in this chapter, in this topic, we have studied about what is a home basically, and we have also learned that how many rooms are there and how each and every room is used. Okay, so on Tuesday we have studied the half chapter, and today we are going to study the whole chapter which was left, and I will be reading each and every line, each and every word very nicely for you all. So please make sure that you listen to this video very carefully and listen to each and every word, each and every pronunciation which I am reading very nicely. Okay, now before starting with our today's part 1 video, children, I would like to inform you that every day you get 2 videos in each assignment. Okay, so part 1 video today will be of reading and explanation part, and then after that part 2 video will be of book exercise, and one exercise I will be giving you in your notebook. Okay, so you have to complete one exercise in your notebook and other exercises we will do in a book only. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1 for class 1. Is it clear? And now turn to page number 30. So as you can see, this is page number 30 and chapter number 9, our home. Okay, so as you all know that on Tuesday we have studied that what is a house, and when we live with a family it becomes a home. Okay, it is called a home, and living together teaches us to love and to how to stay with one another in a very friendly and loving manner. Okay, it also teaches us to share work and the things in our home. So we all have studied this much in on Tuesday. Now we will be studying about each and every rooms, okay, in details today. So by this we will complete our chapter number 9 reading and explanation part. Okay, so again I'm reading from the starting, so you listen to me very carefully. We all live in houses. Okay, the house in which we live with our family is called a home. जब हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक हाउस में रहते हैं तो it is called a home. HOME, home. Now living together teaches us to love one another. जब हम एक साथ सब लोगों के साथ रहते हैं तो हमें सबके साथ अच्छे से रहना और प्यार से रहना सीखते हैं. It also teaches us to share work and the things in our home. जब हम एक साथ अपने फैमिली के साथ घर में रहते हैं, एक होम में रहते हैं, तो हम सीखते हैं कैसे अपना कैसे सबके काम में हाथ बटाते हैं, कैसे सबके साथ वर्क शेयर करते हैं और चीज़ें भी शेयर करते हैं. There are many rooms in our home. Each room has a different use. Now in a home you must have seen that there are many rooms. In your houses where you are living, in your homes, there must be many rooms which you see and they are used in different ways. Okay, so the first room in your home is the drawing room. Now drawing room is the first room. When you enter in your house, in your home, the first room which you see is your drawing room. And what is a drawing room, children? Where you can see all these things like sofas, tables, okay, television, and all the decorative items are kept there. So what is basically how a drawing room is used? We sit and talk to our guests in the drawing room. We also listen to music or watch television in the drawing room. Now basically children, it is very common that in drawing room we sit and talk with our guests, and when we also want to talk among ourselves only, so we also sit in the drawing room and we talk to one another. Okay, और आपके घर में कोई आपसे मिलने आता है तो आप कहाँ बैठाते हो? आप ड्राइंग रूम में बैठाते हो सबको. And we also listen to music or watch television in the drawing room. Mostly सबके घरों में टेलीविज़न ड्राइंग रूम में लगे होते हैं और हम लोग सब ड्राइंग रूम में ही बैठ के टीवी देखते हैं और म्यूज़िक भी सुनते हैं. इज़ दैट क्लियर? नाउ द सेकेंड रूम in our house is the study room. Now study room itself, the word study room is saying that it is used for studying. Okay, so we read and do our homework in the study room. आप जब भी पढ़ते हो या जब भी अपना होमवर्क असाइनमेंट्स एंड ऑल ये सब जब करते हो, कहाँ करते हो? स्टडी रूम में. Clear? Then comes the next room, that is the kitchen. Now what is the spelling of kitchen? KITCHEN, kitchen, and T is silent in this. So we cook our food in the kitchen. Now kitchen is used for cooking food or preparing food. Okay, जब हमें खाना बनाना होता है हम किधर जाते हैं खाना बनाने? किचन में. Is that clear? Now coming to the next room, that is dining room. Now dining room, in this picture you can see in this room there is only one big table. Okay, and there are 6 or 4 seats. In this picture you can see there are 6 chairs kept here around this table. That means this is a dining table where we eat our meals, and this whole room is known as dining room. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो कहाँ बैठ के खाते हैं? डाइनिंग रूम में. Okay, so we eat our meals in the dining room. Is that clear? Now coming to the next, that is the most important room, which is the bedroom. So what is the bedroom used for? How we use our bedroom? We rest and sleep in the bedroom. हमें जब रेस्ट करना होता है, जब हमें सोना होता है तो हम कौन से रूम में जाते हैं? बेडरूम में. Is that clear? Then in the last comes your bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. So bathroom में हम basically जब हमें नहाने जाना होता है, when we have to take a bath, we go to bathroom. Okay, so I hope all these rooms are clear to you all, how each and every room is used and how we in different ways these rooms are used. So now coming to the last part, we should keep our things at their proper place. We should keep the clothes and books in cupboards and on shelves. Now cupboards का use क्या होता है? जिसमें हम कपड़े रखते हैं, अपने क्लोथ्स रखते हैं. ओके, एंड शेल्फ्स का यूज़ कैसे होता है? जिसके अंदर हम बुक्स रखते हैं. बुक्स की शेल्फ होती है और क्लोथ्स के लिए कबर्ड्स होती हैं. ओके, एंड यू ऑल नो दैट व्हेन वी आर लिविंग इन अ हाउस, वी आर लिविंग इन अ होम, वी शुड कीप आवर थिंग्स इन देयर प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. हमें जगह पे सारा सामान रखना चाहिए. एंड वी शुड कीप आवर होम नीट एंड क्लीन. हमें बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा अपना घर रखना चाहिए. सो वी शुड कीप आवर थिंग्स एट द प्रॉपर प्लेस. वी शुड कीप द क्लोथ्स एंड बुक्स इन कबर्ड्स एंड ऑन शेल्फ्स. सो कबर्ड्स और शेल्फ्स में हमें अपने कपड़े और बुक्स रखने चाहिए. एंड द लास्ट लाइन, वी मस्ट कीप आवर होम नीट एंड क्लीन. साफ़ सफाई से हमें अपना घर रखना चाहिए. सो दैट इज़ ऑल इन दिस टॉपिक चिल्ड्रन. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट वेरी क्लियरली. देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्यूजन. Now if you have any confusion during the doubt session, we will discuss, and you can ask me questions when we will take a doubt session. Okay, but before that, make sure that you watch this part 1 video very carefully, and you also read this whole chapter as I have read very nicely. You will also read twice or thrice at home to improve your reading skills. Now children, please switch on to part 2 video, in which we are going to do our book exercises first, and then we will do our notebook exercise also. Okay, so move on to my part 2 video.